Flight deck of HMS Queen Elizabeth has been abuzz as the carrier's air group took part in a range of exercises and training off the coast of Norway. While the F-35 Lightning jets joined Norwegian Special Forces for combat missions and fired weaponry on Swedish ranges, the carrier's Merlin and Wildcat helicopters played a game of hide-and-seek with a Norwegian stealth corvette. Then, in a first for a helicopter launched from a Queen Elizabeth-class carrier, 820 Naval Air Squadron launched a training torpedo to test a weapons system. The range of activity comes as the UK Carrier Strike Group, led by HMS Queen Elizabeth, ramps up its work alongside allies of the Joint Expeditionary Force, JEF. Sailing in the fjords of Norway and a port stop in Gothenburg, Sweden, gave the task group the opportunity to tighten its bonds with fellow JEF nations. The Joint Expeditionary Force is a high-readiness task group committed to regional security that can respond to crises either alongside or independent of NATO. As part of showing its support to the force, HMS Queen Elizabeth met with Norwegian frigate Namsado Sverdrup to practice close maneuvers and sailing together. It was then the turn of Merlin from Kuldros based 820 NAS and Wildcats from Jovilton based 847 NAS to show their abilities in an advanced game of hide-and-seek. They trained with Norwegian stealth corvette Namsteel, with the Merlins labeled the Guardians and tasked with giving situational awareness and providing the Wildcats with the location of suspect vessels. The Norwegian Skjold class is a fast patrol boat, and their thermal cam nets, knowledge of the fjords and anti-ambush tactics, techniques and procedures, TTPs, means if they don't want to be found, they won't. Add in the complex terrain, and the exercise gave a realistic training scenario for the UK flight crews. Next up, 820 NAS performed a first for a Merlin launching from a Queen Elizabeth-class carrier by launching a training variant torpedo, TVT, a beam of Type 23 frigate HMS Portland. Observers Scott Wilson and Tobias Williams dropped the TVT to test external weapon processes and delivery systems. The torpedo was collected by Portland Sea Boat and returned to the warship.